That's right. Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Introducing a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. As you can plainly see, very slick black paint. And you heard it come in, man. This thing has a fantastic sound. It's the sound that you want. You're driving a Camaro like this, and that's exactly how you want it to sound. Again, beautiful slick paint. It does have black interior as well. We'll get to that here in a second. Nice cowl hood. BF Goodwrench radial TAs on all fours. Power front disc brakes. Power steering as well. Gonna still stick with the exterior. Beautiful trim. Bright work everywhere. Now, here it is right here. This is a brand new GM Goodwrench Performance Crate 350. Put in by our very own Cruisin Classics Performance Center. She is a performance engine, no doubt about it. Along with that, we put in a larger cam, aluminum heads, new intake. That's aluminum intake as well, and a new Holley carb. And it runs like a beast. That all matches down to some ceramic coated headers, dual exhaust. Those are flow masters underneath, has an aluminum radiator as well. It is a beast. And beautifully running machine is exactly what it is. That performance crate is also now matched with a recently rebuilt Muncie 4-speed transmission. And inside you'll find the Hurst short shifter. Beautiful houndstooth interior. Great carpet, door panels, headliner, the whole ball of wax, crystal clear gauges. Please hang out the end of the video. You'll see some stills of the interior, the undercarriage, the trunk, as well as the engine compartment, the way she sits today. And it's ready for the road right now. So, first gen Camaro, beautiful interior, beautiful exterior, slick black paint. If you're looking for something like this, you found it. Great sounding, great looking. It is one of those. It whittles down to that. CruisinClassicsinc.com is where you're going to find it. Also, please check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to us if you would be so kind on YouTube. We sure would appreciate it. 614-276-7355 to check its availability, as well as any questions that you have about this beautiful 69 Camaro or anything else that we have in our inventory. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.